As the only disabled legislator, I get phone calls from folks all over the state who look to me to represent them and to be their voice in the legislature.
Representative Miller ran for office as someone that is very serious about limiting the growth of government. And so when he came into office in 2013, one of the biggest issues that the legislature was facing was the issue of Medicaid expansion.
I have been a staunch opponent of Medicaid expansion simply because it didn't take anybody with a high IQ to realize that this was going to bankrupt our Medicaid program as a whole, both as a nation and as a state.
He was very eager to work with us to stop that expansion of government, massive expansion of welfare from coming into the state of Arkansas, because it's something that inspired him to get involved in politics in the first place. Now that we're a couple years into the Medicaid expansion, he's interested now in pursuing ways to roll that expansion back, and we've been proud to work with him on that.
Our Medicaid program needs to be for folks who truly need it, who are truly uninsurable anywhere else.
And Representative Miller, if you know him at all, he is really just a pit bull who, when he sinks his teeth into something and decides that he's going to do something, he's going to give it everything that he has.
Being handicapped, being disabled, whatever you want to call it, cuts right across the grain of who I am as a person.
The guy works harder than most people that I know, and yet he has less use of his body than most people that I know. So I think the combination of all those things just keeps him going. He never slows down. He's like the Energizer Bunny of the Arkansas legislature.
I just think that folks need somebody that is willing to stand up and say what they're thinking. And that's one of the reasons that I've stayed motivated and stayed in there.